Hey, welcome back to the training. I'm going to go through real quickly and I'm going to set a timer and show you how fast you can get a book from BookMasher into Amazon Kindle. And I'm going to show you, I've got kdp.amazon. I've got logged into my account. I've got other books in here right now. And I'm going to be clicking this button when I get started here. But before I get started, let me show you what I've done. I've got a very short children's book that I'm going to show you. Okay, it's called The Teapot That Tasted Yesterday. Now, I've gone through, I've completed the book, I've went in and I went through step by step through all these to get it ready for a Kindle listing. I needed a description. I hit the auto generate button, and I needed some keywords. I hit it auto generate right here, and then I hit save. So I'm ready to go. I've got to download the EPUB, and I think I've already got that downloaded and ready to go. So I need the front cover and the EPUB, and then I'm ready. So I'm going to check my downloads, make sure I've got everything I need. Yeah, so I downloaded the front cover, the back cover, and the EPUB. Everything is ready to upload. Okay. Now, a lot of people said, hey, it's too complicated. It takes too long to do. Well, let me show you the easy way. I downloaded the EPUB. I went in to customize cover, and I got the cover the way I like it. I got the back cover the way I like it. And we've got it set up for children's books, so it's a readable children's book with picture books in there. I've got title, everything's correct. I hit apply, I download the front cover, which I could also do right here. Once you make changes, use this button. If you don't make any changes at all, you can use either button. And I downloaded the back cover. I validated it. It's ready to go. And let's see how fast we can do it. So I'm going to go ahead and start the timer right here. And I'm going to go into Kindle, create new title or series. And it's going to be a Kindle ebook. And because this is such a short book, it's only 10 pages, I'm not going to make a paperback with it. Book title. Come over here. This is my book title right here. I could copy it from there or from the cover. Come back, paste the book title. And I'm not going to do a subtitle on this one. It's not a series. I'm just going to call it edition 1. And the author is Clara Hennessy. I'll just type that in, Clara. Make sure I spell it right. It is 2 N's, 2 S's. This is one of my pen names that we created inside of BookMasher. That's the author, contributors. I'm just going to put in here editor. I'm going to go ahead and put my name as the editor. So if anybody ever asks, how do you know this is your pen name? Well, I'm the editor. I've got it copyrighted into the book. Here's the description. I come back over here to BookMasher. Come down here to my Kindle, Amazon Kindle listing. I'm going to copy this, paste it in, and publishing rights, I own the copyright. Minimum, let's say we can go from baby to 17. Okay, it's a children's book. Amazon, choose category, children's ebooks. Choose a subcategory. I'm going to do fairy tales, and I'm just going to do stories here. And you can do 3 categories. I'm going to go ahead and choose another category, and we'll just go back in children's ebooks. I'm going to put it under humor. Let's do growing up and facts of life. Okay, subcategory, and we'll put it under family life and grandparents. Okay, and I'm going to add one more category. I like to do the drill all the way down because you can be closer to being on the top publishers if you have such a small niche category. So that's what I'm always trying to do. It is children's books, and we'll just do, actually it's going to be more, subcategory, beginner readers. Okay. And actually this is not ages 3 to 5. It's going to be more like 6 to 8. activities, crafts, games, mysteries, and there we go. Okay, save categories. Now we're up to almost 4 minutes. Now I need keywords. Well, we made them over on BookMasher. So I'm just going to copy each one. I'm just using Control C and Control V. And this is one of those children's books that a parent would read to their child, or anybody over, and any child around 7, 8 can read it too. Okay, got that in there. I'm ready to release my book right now. I hit save and continue. Done. Upload manuscript. Now it's going to be looking for the EPUB. So I'm going to upload the EPUB. Okay. And I'm going to say no. They can download it as a PDF or EPUB. I'm going to upload a cover. And that's the cover I'm going to upload. Okay. And I'm going to say yes on AI tools. I'm just going to say some sections. I'm going to put Claude, Perplexity, BookMasher. Images, one or few, sure. OpenAI, Gemini, BookMasher. I'm using WhisperFlow and it doesn't translate too well. Okay, none. Okay, you got to launch your previewer. And this is usually the longest it takes is it's got to convert your EPUB and it's got to convert your, okay, so we got the cover. It's uploaded successfully, so we should be able to do launch previewer after it does a quality check. Now, what it's doing is looking for spelling mistakes. It's looking for anything in there that would be a grammar or spelling error. And we already fixed that in BookMasher, but occasionally there's words that are colloquialism words, shortened words that we use in the text itself. And if it runs across that, Kindle may not recognize it, but your reader will, so you can actually check it off as acceptable. Let's see if we got any in here. Now I'm running the timer still. While that's running, I'm going to just pause the timer as it's waiting here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit the launch preview. I think it got stuck somewhere on the quality check. And it does that occasionally. So I just want to look through this real quick, make sure everything looks good. Just scrolling through the bookwork here, and it looks good. Okay, so I'm going to hit back here, and I'm going to go down here and hit VidPenguin Productions as my publisher. I don't know anything about informative images, so I'll hit save and continue. And I want to check this, enroll my book in KDP. We'll go Amazon, list price, and we'll do 35%. If you do 35%, you still make a little bit of money on it. Here's the royalty at 99 cents. This is just a small book. If you go 70 cents, you're going to actually need to sell it at $2.99. So I want to be able to sell as many as I can at the 99-cent level. I'll make 35 cents if I do that. And I'll just go all the way through here. Okay. Publisher Kindle book. Done. We're under the 10-minute mark. If I want to do a paperback, I just click Start Paperback Now. But I'm going to go ahead and hit Close. And I'm done. Under 10 minutes.